हाँ लिख लीजिए, मेरिट्स एंड डिमेरिट्स ऑफ मीन डिविएशन। कल हमने कंप्लीट की उसकी कैलकुलेशन इन इंडिविजुअल सीरीज, इन डिस्क्रीट सीरीज एंड इन कंटिन्यूअस सीरीज। आज तो ये छोटा मोटा टॉपिक है, मेरिट्स एंड डिमेरिट्स। लिखिए उसे, पहले लिख लीजिए मेरिट्स। मेरिट्स first merit is it is very simple and easy measure of dispersion. It is simple and easy measure of dispersion. First merit. Second is mean deviation is based on all values of the series. It is based on all values of the series. Oh, it is, we can say, when it is based on all values, it takes all values into consideration. We can say, thus, it is true representative. It is true representative than range and quartile deviation. Then range and quartile deviation. Quartile deviation और range से ये ज्यादा नुमाइंदा है, ज्यादा अच्छा है, because of the fact it is based on all values. Range and quartile deviation takes only extreme values into consideration. Number third, it is less affected by extreme values, that is highest value and lowest value. It is less affected by extreme values, that is highest value and lowest value. It is less affected by extreme values, that is highest value and lowest value, like range. Yes. Write down now demerits. Number first, it suffers from inaccuracy. It suffers from inaccuracy. Inaccuracy because why? Inaccuracy क्यों है इसमें? Because it ignores plus and minus signs. Because it ignores plus and minus signs and takes all signs as positive without any reason. Number second is it is not capable of further algebraic treatment. It is not capable of further algebraic treatment. ज्यादा algebraic treatment ये इसमें हम नहीं कर सकते. So this is second demerit. Third is in case of deviations, that is when deviations are taken from mode and mode being uncertain, mean deviation also becomes uncertain and therefore unreliable. So we can say value of mean deviation value of mean deviation becomes uncertain when deviations are taken from mode. When deviations are taken from मोड वक्त हम मोड से डिविएशंस लेते हैं तो उसका वैल्यू अनसर्टन बन जाता है. दैट मीन्स इफ वी टेक डिविएशंस फ्रॉम मीन एक वैल्यू देता है, जब हम मीडियन से देते हैं तो दूसरा वैल्यू, जब मोड से
वैल्यू
तीसरा वैल्यू.
यस सर, फिर वैल्यू होता है.
अगर हम मोड की तरफ देखेंगे, मोड इटसेल्फ इज अनसर्टन. जब हम मोड पढ़ रहे थे तो मोड में हम ये देख रहे थे कि when mode is taken by inspection method तो एक वैल्यू आता है, जब ग्रुपिंग मेथड से लेते हैं तो दूसरा वैल्यू आता है. So we can say mode itself is uncertain. So when deviations are taken from mode, so mean deviation also becomes uncertain. So when deviations are taken from mode, the mean deviation itself becomes uncertain because mode itself is uncertain, because value of mode is itself uncertain. जो खुद अपना वैल्यू चेंज करता है वो दूसरे को क्या सर्टेन वैल्यू दे सकता है. So mode itself is changing. Mode itself changes its value. So we can say when deviation is for mean deviation is taken from mode, so mean deviation also becomes uncertain, changing, inconsistent. So these are the meritus and demeritus of mean deviation. Yes. So it is that all deviations from average value of the series are taken as positive even when sum of these are actually negative. So ये हमने डिस्कस किया है. First में it suffers from inaccuracy because it ignores plus and minus signs without any reason. So second है it is not capable of further algebraic treatment. Third, very important demerit, its value is uncertain if deviations are taken from mode because value of mode is itself uncertain. So these are the meritus and demeritus of mean deviation.
Mean deviation.
लिख लिया ये?
Yes sir.
सबों ने लिख लिया?
Yes sir. जी सर.
So अभी मैंने आपको कह दिया मैं मीटिंग लीव करूंगा, फिर से मैं ज्वाइन.
यस सर, हम रीज्वाइन करेंगे.
आप भी इंस्टेंटली ज्वाइन करना है.
जी सर.
जो हो गया लिख लिया सबों ने?
जी सर. सर लिख लिया.
चलो करो मैं लीव.
ओके सर. ओके सर.
फिर आप ज्वाइन करना.